Bottled water use inside Kendall College is a problem because of the local pollution associated with plastic bottles and the long-term side effects from drilling for spring water. Using a personal water bottle and purified rainwater is a sustainable solution to our reliance on water bottles. Given the amount of rain per year, the cost of harvesting rainwater per year, and the amount of work required, makes using rainwater a sustainable solution. The potential consequences of continued bottled water use include destruction of natural habitats, small communities left with depleted wells, and harmful drilling destroying environments. The solution to such problems is possible through a few easy steps. The first step: buy one upcycle 55-gallon rain barrel. This will collect 55 gallons of water to be purified using Davy AquaSafe Rainwater Tank Purifier. Treats up to 4,000 gallons. With your new 32-ounce Nalgene water bottle that you can fill with clean rainwater, the BPA-free water bottle is reusable and harmless to humans and the environment, and will protect it from unnecessary pollution. The total cost of this equipment is broken down as such: one Nalgene 32-ounce water bottle, $10.99 before tax. One upcycle 55-gallon black rain barrel, $109.99. And one Davy AquaSafe Rainwater Tank Purifying Solution, roughly 2 years at 55 gallons a week, $44.95 before tax. That comes to a total of $165.93 before tax is included in your purchase. Since your yield is 55 gallons in your 55-gallon drum, the equivalent in water bottles is approximately 416 16.9 ounce water bottles. When buying in bulk at 28 cents per bottle, it costs approximately $116.63. At first glance, it looks like the bottles are more cost effective, being that they are cheaper at $116.63 than the startup cost of $165.93 for rainwater. However, the cost over 5 years is greatly in favor of rainwater. Let me show you what I mean. This graph represents the 5-year cost of rainwater versus bottled water. Rainwater is in green, and bottled water is in blue. The graph is broken down by half years. In theory, a human should drink 2 liters of water per day. At 2 liters a day, 55 gallons would last you approximately 6 months. Thus, the need to buy more bottles, or the purification solvent, falls on the half year or the new year. The only expense for rainwater is the cost of the purifying solvent, which, based on the amount, only need be purchased twice over the next 5 years. Compare that with the amount it costs to buy bottled water every 6 months at $116.63, and you can see the overall cost increase. Over the course of the next 5 years, this solution to our bottled water problem falls under the $500 budget provided. I think students will participate in this solution because after the initial startup costs, it is actually fairly cheap, there's less garbage to dispose of every week, less pollution in the environment, and as a group we can potentially save entire habitats.